say goodbye, but then your love keeps coming back, keeps coming back, keeps coming back, keeps coming back, keeps coming back. You can't break my love, it's yours to take. We got more to make. You can't shake my love, it's there to stay. We will find our way together, together, together. Candles burning, lighting up the room, trying to make the mood right. I'm observing, watching how you move, searching for some insight. I'm still running. You say goodbye, but then your love keeps coming back, 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 keeps coming back. You can't break my love, it's yours to take. We got more to make. You can't shake my love, it's there to stay. We will find our way together, together, together. I'm understanding you. You don't know what to do. You say goodbye, but then your love keeps coming back. I'm understanding you. You don't know what to do. You say goodbye, but then your love keeps coming back. 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 Your love keeps coming back. Keeps coming back. You can't break my love, it's yours to take. We got more to make. You can't shake my love, it's there to stay. We will find our way together, 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 together. We will find our way together, together.
Hey Chad, how's it going? Welcome to the Friday stream. I hope that you're having a great end to your week. And look at the t-shirt that I'm wearing today, Chad. I was waiting to wear this t-shirt again for a special occasion. Just check it out. Right. The Pepe MAGA hat make meme coins great again, and I'm wearing this t-shirt today because there is an incredible setup for going long on Pepe and some other meme coins. Finally, after meme coins have been, going sideways for 2 months, some of them even underperformed to the Trump pump. Finally, they're looking that they might be catching up for quite some time, Chad. But before heading into meme coins and on altcoins, we gotta discuss. We have to talk about what's going on BTC today, because quite the pump today, Chad. quite the pump. BTC is up 4.9%, going for a bullish engulfing candle. Yearly highs on BTC and your highest daily close since December 17, where we set this all-time high at 108K. So Chad, welcome to the stream. Click on that like button, click on that retweet and heart button if you're watching on X. Subscribe if you have not. Today we're gonna cook, you guys. I'm gonna give you guys my plan for the next few weeks and maybe months on what it might be to come on the crypto markets, because look at this almost 5% gain on BTC. And not only that, Chad, you caught follow through to this breakout that happened 2 days ago. Yesterday you had this bullish retest to 100K. You held the lows and now you're sending it. Welcome BB, Brian Viewpoint to the stream. Welcome back. So we talked about yesterday about this candle looking a little bit awful, right? And if you closed red today, then it would have been bad news. When, well, Chad, exactly the opposite happened, and we're watching on basically all across the board pump. I think the only thing that's not pumping today might have been AI agents, which have been going insane for the past few days or weeks. So it's sometimes normal that when you get those kind of rotations, when you have like outperforming sectors, that they take a backseat when everything else starts to pump, and maybe when the broader market begins to cool down, then they'll catch some steam back once again. Yo, how's it going, Seth? Happy Friday to you too, and welcome to the stream. So, pretty good things going on BTC. Bullish divergence playing out on the MACD histogram right there, and on the MACD histogram. So apparently the sellers were indeed exhausted. RSI back above 60. Actually, let's see, you're at 65 points back on the buyer's control zone. So buyers are back in control on the daily time frame regarding what the RSI is saying, and on the MACD you're pushing for the highest momentum since November 22nd, Chad. Taking out the momentum from the all-time highs. So multi-month highs on the positive momentum for the MACD histogram, and going for the second highest daily close, the third highest daily close in BTC's history, and the highest daily close since all-time high since December 17. But that's not what really has me excited, Chad. What gets me excited the most about BTC is actually happening on a larger time frame, which is the 3-day right now. Look at this 3-day candle, which will be closing tomorrow. But look at the momentum here on the MACD histogram. Look at what's going on the oscillators. The RSI, it's back above 60, back above the buyer's control zone. And here on the MACD histogram, you have a pretty massive hidden bullish divergence here, Chad, starting to mature. Unconfirmed, but this could get confirmed pretty quickly if you follow this rate. Look at the negative momentum that you're losing here on the 3-day time frame, and yeah, look at that hidden bull div, right? You have you can do it from here, whatever. You have this low here, your lows from early September. Last time you printed this amount of negative momentum, and now you're doing a lower low on the negative momentum. You're printing way more negative momentum than what you did in August and in September, right? Remember that blowout across the markets on August 5th, right? The yen carry trade. Then this was the lows from early September before the first FOMC meeting from the Fed that they cut rates. And now you're doing more negative momentum, right? Implying potential continuation of the current trend, which is an uptrend. So when you are finished losing this negative momentum on the MACD histogram, you will be confirming this hidden bull div that's not real on the RSI. It's only discernible on the MACD histogram, implying continuation to the upside of the current trend. So that could lead BTC into way higher prices into the next few months. Chad, apparently all the effort, all the patience that we had for the past 10 months, this nightmare of a range that we spent here last year, We saw this pump on BTC, and a lot of altcoins remained sideways. I think that's about to come to an end, because I think that the next leg up on BTC will be the all at the same time pump, right? I already started getting some other text from normies, and normies are not buying BTC. They'll be buying coins. They'll be buying altcoins, memes, whatever. So what has me really more excited here is the 3-day, which we'll be confirming tomorrow. But you have this hidden bull dev, which could be confirmed pretty soon here on BTC. So the daily just looks fantastic, above 104k, 104,800 bucks right now. Massive gain with a bullish engulfing candle, and confirming the validity of this bullish retest of 100k, chat. So spectacular price action going on BTC today. Also, supporting my bullish bias is SPX. I mean, it's BTC against the SPX, going for the highest daily close since December 17. So yearly highs for BTC against the SPX, and potentially going for the second highest daily close in its history, chat, after doing multiple bullish retests to this former all-time high from 2021, right? Apparently, we're gonna leave this reaccumulation zone pretty soon. That's what this price action is implying. You're up 3.6%, printing strong positive momentum on the MACD histogram once again. Actually, your highest momentum on BTC SPX since November 23rd. RSI back above 60 also on the bullish control zone. And look at the 3-day. On the 3-day, you also have that hidden bullish divergence that you have on the USD pair. Also back above 60. So just looks incredible, man. Both the USD pair and the SPX pair look ready for continuation into liftoff. And the timing couldn't be more perfect. Just Trump will be getting into office this Monday, so everything's aligning for a crazy bull market on BTC and on altcoins. Okay, so I've been yapping about BTC, SPX, but if you've been watching the show for the past 2 weeks, you do know that my most important chart right now has been USDT dominance. And look at where USDT dominance is right now, chat. It tapped 3.8% today. It's having a discernible breakdown of this bear flag that we were discussing, right? We said this bear flag at some point is gonna break down, and I think that when it does, it's the time for losing 3.8% here. So I think that my time will come soon. You're going for a bearish engulfing candle. You're down 4%, printing strong negative momentum in the MACD histogram. RSI back below 40. So you're also breaking the neckline of this head and shoulders, man. Actually, let's go for the measured move. So you go from the top of the head here, of the pattern, into around the neckline. So you're looking at a 20% basically performance from the upsloping neckline here on this head and shoulders, which could give you a target of 3.1% down here. So maybe, Chad, we're gonna see a breakdown of 3.8%. This level, which has been holding so strong, right? Level from March 14 of 2024, also from December 2024. And not only that, look at on the previous cycles how strong this level was, basically how strongly price reacted to this level. And I think it's gonna give out soon. And not only that, chat, like, let me remind you to, let's turn on the 3-day time frame here on the USDT dominance. I'm gonna turn on the Bollinger Bands. Yes, I'm gonna do it, chat. Look at the compression here, the bottleneck on the Bollinger Bands. You already had this failed breakout, and now on this volatility compression, you're starting to push lower. And look at what happened here. You had this compression on the Bollinger Bands on the 3-day time frame. You had the failed breakout, and then it was time for a massive drawdown. Exactly on late January of last year. Is it repeating this time around, chat? I think it might. I think it actually might. On the 3-day, you're losing that positive momentum in the MACD histogram, and you don't have that edge on the oscillators. You just have bearish confluence so far, so you don't have any kind of divergence on the 3-day for USD dominance. But let me remind you guys what we're watching here right now. Not only you're watching a breakdown from this bear flag right here, this local bear flag, but also remember what this trend line from early 2018, right, chat? Which has a significant bearish retest to that breakdown right there, right? So if you flip the chart, look at that, chat. Look at that, right? That resistance, that supply line, which has been holding us as a resistance for years, chat. Finally, you have a breakdown, and now you have multiple bullish retests to it. Multiple. Excuse me, chat. So, man, I couldn't be more bullish right now. I don't care about any pullbacks. I don't care about anything so far. All I'm just waiting is 3.8% to give out, and from then I think it's lights out for USD dominance and lights on for altcoins, and obviously BTC too. But I'm targeting here on the short term. If you lose 3.8%, I think 2.3% was going to come real quick. Look at how fast you can go from 3.8 to 2.7 on your way around. So it's a pretty good price action that we're watching here today, boys. This breakdown on USD dominance will be confirmed in 2 hours and 3 minutes, chat. Let's go see Bitcoin dominance, because today has been moving a little bit quite widely, I would say. At some point you were up 1%, at some other point you lost, you retraced that entire move. But so far you're catching follow through to yesterday's bullish pin bar. You're holding the 200 moving average as support, right? So I don't have a strong bias regarding Bitcoin dominance when you are in between 60% and 57.2%, because basically trends get manufactured when you're either below it or above it, and you're in between of them. Like, nothing really happens in between 60 and 57. You either go up or you go down pretty quickly. So I think that market's trying to decide itself up here. But the last discernible events that we have here on the daily time frame are a lower high, then another lower high, right into a lower low here. So maybe Bitcoin dominance trying to reverse, but I think that the most edge or alpha regarding altcoins against BTC, we can see them on others against BTC, right? That pattern that we've been talking about regarding the oscillators. You're losing that negative momentum. You're almost neutral on the MACD, and you're neutral on the RSI. You're exactly at 50 to the dot, chat. 50 points. So Bitcoin dominance looking neutral. Let's see the 3-day. If we got something. So the 3-day has like this, so some sort of recovery. Candle is up 0.4%. Not much to say. You're losing that negative momentum. Actually starting to flip positive. So will we see another leg up on Bitcoin dominance? I don't know, chat. We might. And if we actually do see another Bitcoin-led rally, I think that ultimately tell us that the cycle is gonna be around for longer, right? Because when altcoin season starts, that's when you set on a timer for altcoin euphoria and for a cycle of basically ending, right? Let's go see others against BTC right away. It's actually green, chat. It's up 0.9%. It's going for a bullish engulfing candle. And about to confirm the highest daily close since January 11. Losing that negative momentum in the MACD histogram, and pretty flat on the RSI. So this is looking like sweep price section might come up soon on others against BTC, man. Why do I do that? Right. Okay, Sui. Give me Sui. All right, Sui on the right. Just so you don't like miss the brother picture here. On others against BTC, right? You're on the green box of what Sui did here. Just what's gonna happen, chat. Just submit to it. Submit to basically others against BTC doing this kind of rally against others doing this sort of rally against BTC in the next like how long did it last? Like in the next like 4 months basically, which will be an insane altcoin season, right? So there you have it, right? Just be patient. We're still in the reaccumulation zone on the green box right there. But after you're done reaccumulating, chat, after you're done, I think we're in for some fireworks. We're currently like right here. Still like right doing something like around there, right? How would you like that on others against BTC? Something like that. This will give you like all-time highs on others against BTC by May, basically, which fits my bias, by the way. I'm some local top by the end of March on altcoins against BTC, but then going for another leg up. Because remember, chat, what are we looking at here? We're looking at a 3-year downtrend on others against BTC. Altcoins have been getting wrecked to BTC for the last 3 years, chat. It's been 3 years. Okay, I need to get my microphone volume a little bit higher. Okay, there we go. Hold on, check something here. Oh, right on, Andy. Welcome and thanks for liking the stream on X. By the way, we're gonna look at Pepe in a few minutes, and Pepe's gonna go insane, I think. So this is what I'm expecting here on others against BTC. It's been 3 years plus of downtrend. I think we're bottoming, and I think it's gonna be pretty wild after we end up, end this reaccumulation on this green box. I have like strong conviction on this happening. Insane conviction, chat. All right. Let's go see Ethereum. Wow. Ethereum outperforming Solana and BTC today. Is up 5.2% today after it seemed like it was over yesterday. It closed down 4%, and today's completely bamboozling that loss today, going for a bullish engulfing candle. You tapped 3,500 once again. Look at how quick you went from 3K into basically 3,500, chat. This happened on Monday and it's Friday, and you're touching range highs here. Pretty insane. And you have this bull dev. Look at that bullish divergence on the MACD histogram being confirmed, chat. Look at that positive momentum coming up on the MACD histogram. You're confirming seller's exhaustion on Ethereum with a bullish engulfing candle and going against resistance. But I'll tell you this, chat, I've been pretty clear. Once you break 3,500, I think it slides on for ETH. 3,500 has been a strong resistance level in the past. Look at how you nuked here, how basically the ETH token nuked here on April 6, 2022, and on how it went down here on July 21st, 2024. Chat, severe drawdown after confirming 3,500 as resistance. And now, chat, we might be getting real close to breaking it. And the good news is, chat, is that Ethereum is the queen of altcoins, whether you like it or not, whether you've been calling that ETH is dead, ETH cannot pump, that meme, that ETH can pump. I'm sure you've seen it on the timeline. You do want Ethereum to go up, because it usually sends altcoins way higher as a collective, right? BTC is the king of the cryptocurrency market industry, and Ethereum is the queen of the altcoins. So, bro, cheat on the door level for me right now here is not 4K. I know that for a lot of people it's 4K. For me, it's 3,500 with a bullish divergence. Basically, RSI completely reset it, position for higher prices. Man, ETH looks pretty cool. I don't know how ETH BTC looks, but ETH USD looks pretty well. Solana is up 3.9% today, being outperformed by BTC and Ethereum. You're breaking $215, chat. That level, complacency here from September 12, 2021. And once you break it, your next stop is $260. Nothing has ever happened in between 215 and 260. Your next logical resistance is 260, and from then, price discovery, chat. Sustained price discovery for the first time in Solana since like early November 2021. You're printing strong positive momentum in the MACD histogram. You have bullish convergence on the MACD histogram on the daily, and I'm sure that on the 3-day you have a massive hidden bullish divergence about to come to an end. Look at this, chat. This is insane, chat. This is pretty insane. Massive hidden bullish divergence on Sol USD right here. You have a higher low and a lower low on the MACD histogram. You do know what that's supposed to mean. So I'm gonna let you guys figure it out on your own. Let's go see XRP. XRP is up 1.2%, man. This thing's relentless. It's being outperformed by the broader market today, but man, it's basically vertical. It's just no pullbacks, just going completely verticality. If you go here to Sol, I already told you guys what it reminded me to, what it reminded me of. Okay, let's go to the one on not Sol BTC. Oh, hold on. Sol USDT on Binance. Yes, what we need. Would you imagine, chat? I don't know if I'm being too delusional or not. Would you imagine like XRP does something like this? Like maybe just that, I don't know. But that would like be a rally towards like $7 or even higher, man. Maybe $8 or so. That would be insane for XRP, truth be told. So regarding Ripple, see the oscillators. Printing strong positive Momo. Highest momentum since December 4. RSI at 76, overbought but on the bullish control zone, and just not giving any breaks. This is your 5th green consecutive candle for XRP, chat. Incredible. Let's go see ETH BTC, chat. It's barely green. It's up 0.5%. Will this be the higher low that we need? Will it be, chat? We don't know. We need more data. But you have bullish confluence so far on the oscillators. Actually, some sort of like potential bull dev here. But bullish confluence on the MACD. And you already know what I'm gonna say. If you don't reclaim 3,700 soon, then 29.93 it's on deck for ETH BTC. And more important than that, in my opinion, is that you need to flip the structure. You need to do a higher low and then take out one of these consecutive lower highs that you have here. So I'll make it quick. That's just the ETH BTC update. Let's go see Sol BTC and Sol ETH, which I think are way more interesting right now. Sol BTC is actually red. It's down 0.5%. Please, God, please don't make this another last point of supply. Like, please, I beg you, don't turn this high into another lower high. Please, chat. I'm begging for it not to happen, because I do want Solana to pump. But besides that, you're printing strong positive momentum on the MACD, 52 on the RSI. Looks good. As long as you're above the sign of weakness here, you're safe from the distribution pattern. But if you want to be on an uptrend or safer, you need to take out this previous massive lower high and this lower high, and then maybe some higher low, and then you need to take out this up thrust on phase B. So yeah, let's go see Sol ETH, because I reckon it's gonna be red today too. It's down 1.1%. It's normal after a massive impulse yesterday, and just RSI on the bullish control zone, printing strong positive moment on the MACD. And just to be clear here, I think I'm gonna keep this here, right? Like, I'm gonna keep it right there. What? Okay. And now, no, come on, chat. Now I'm gonna. All right, it's that simple for Sol ETH, chat. Just go on your trading view. Just set these two lines. It's that easy as that. The highest daily close from the previous cycle, and the highest price action from the previous cycle. 5720 and 5800. Just draw these two lines on Sol ETH, and you want to stay above it. It's that simple. That simple, chat. Okay. All right. I want to jump into some serious altcoins today, because man, look at the sea of green on altcoins. You love to see it. It's just beautiful. And look at Pepe. Pepe is up 11.5%, going for a bullish engulfing candle, reacting as clear beta to Ethereum. Pepe is basically like leverage ETH at this point. So look at I'm gonna pull up ETH USDT on the right. Look at that. Looks pretty similar, does it? Isn't it? So you can see the beta here on Pepe on the left to whatever you know ETH does. Of course, Pepe has more strength, right? Has more bidding or more impulse to it. Because looking on the left, right, this pump here was a lower high. On Pepe was an all-time high, which you held as support twice now, chat. But that's not it. I have one of my favorite setups on Pepe right now, which is on the MACD histogram. Look at this, chat. It's already confirmed. You have an inverse head and shoulders, which has been developing for months. Since this thing started developing on November 25th, 2024, now being confirmed, chat. This doesn't mean it's gonna play out 100%. Nothing plays out 100%, but I usually have great confidence on setups that look like this on the daily time frame. You want an example? We saw one on Bitcoin dominance last year, and it played out to a T. I think it was on the 3-day time frame. Yep. I think it's here. It's right here. Look at, it's pretty clean. Whoops. Right there. This is when it got confirmed. I'm gonna show you how to play out. This right here is when it got confirmed, and look at what it did afterwards. Just a parabolic run, right? After this reversal or continuation inverse head and shoulders on the MACD histogram. So I'm bullish Pepe, man. I actually repositioned some backs into Pepe beta, such as Andy and Wolf. Wolf and Andy are beta to Pepe. If Pepe pumps, Wolf and Andy pump more. If Pepe dumps, the same. So I think Pepe might be showing us that Ethereum is bullish actually right now. This is giving you a reversal right on the MACD histogram. And I don't think Pepe is going to go insane by itself. I think it's going to need the ETH tailwinds, right? So maybe this is telling you like ETH is going to go insane now. So this is my most, you know, interesting setup that I have to share with you guys today. This inverse head and shoulders on the MACD histogram just being confirmed. Double bullish retest to the former all-time high. Sky's the limit. I think you'll see all-time highs in Pepe within like 2 or 3 weeks, to be honest. And with that, you'll also see all-time highs more likely than not on Wolf and Andy. It's just the boys club narrative or the boys club trade is really beta to Pepe. So if Pepe looks strong and you're looking for something more volatile without the risk of liquidation, just like my friends on Because Bitcoin say, man, Andy and Wolf are your pick, basically. It's just, man, this thing right here, you cannot stop looking at it. It's just so clean. The head is massive, implying that massive positive momentum might be coming into Pepe. And also what's some sort of Pepe beta, it's APX, Astro Pepe X, also catching a reversal here. After, you know, holding the lows down here as support, this former all-time highs from last year. You have this massive bullish divergence being confirmed today or 2 days ago. But look at all that seller's exhaustion coming to an end. I think it's going to go higher too. And I think it's going to follow Pepe to some extent. APX is the ticker on X. On ETH. This was the first meme coin that was fully deployed by AI, right? The AI picked the ticker, the logo, everything, and it was deployed on late 2023. So it's been trading for quite some time. And I think when Pepe goes insane, Astro Pepe X is gonna follow. And also you have the AI trade attached to it. Going for a bullish engulfing candle and your highest daily close since January 6th. Starting to build positive momentum once again. RSI fully resetted. Just looks really clear for higher prices. Let's see what else is looking pretty strong. Well, you do know this setup. I've been yapping. Look at SPX 6900 is up 50% today, chat. Going for a bullish engulfing candle and the second highest daily close in its history. You have a hidden bull dev about to be confirmed on the MACD histogram. Look at that hidden bullish divergence. Man, I think Murad was right. We've been saying here at some point memes were going to bottom. And I think we have so much confidence that this might be it. Look at my meme watch list. All this insane price action. You know, the only things that are red are Pengu and this utility against meme coins. This is a utility actually being red against bleeding against meme coin. But chat, look at, I'm gonna show you, for example, Retardio. Well, it's not like the greatest performing right now, but I think it's gonna pull numbers. You have a massive bullish cipher harmonic with a type 2 return right here. Sometimes I don't realize that I'm watching things like down here, and I'm covering it with my ugly face. So if you realize that on the chat that I'm actually covering, you know, the chart, let me know. But I think it's pretty clear here. You have a massive bullish cipher. This is your key inflection zone here at 71, at 7 cents or so. So you completed the harmonic. This is the pattern completion zone, the point of the harmonic, and you have a confirmation low here, a type 2 return, starting to catch follow through, going for a bullish engulfing candle today. This is showing you that there is a great bet for altcoins, for meme coins being bottomed right now, Chad. Not only that, also on Mumu, you have a bullish divergence here. Look at that double bullish divergence. You have a lower low here, higher low, lower low here, higher low. Once again, you completely broke market structure, but apparently sellers are exhausted. You could say the same thing about Popcat too. Market structure also break, but you have a double bullish divergence. You have a lower low here in price and a higher low in the momentum. You have another lower low in price and another higher low on the positive, on the negative momentum. So I think meme coins are gonna be getting bid on this next leg up, chat, because it didn't get bidded, you know, when Trump won, right? Early November, all the way through early December, meme coins didn't do that much. Look at this, right? I'm gonna like, let's go to November 4th or 5th. That was it. And then all they did was that, and then they nuked, right? I think Popcat is a great example of meme coins, and they didn't do anything. And I think on this BTC pump, they will actually go up, because there's seller exhaustion across the board. Mumu has it. I mean, Popcat has it. Mumu has it. Punky also has it, right? You have that bullish divergence. I wonder if Mooting has it. Mooting also has it on the MACD histogram. Retardio has a clear reversal structure harmonic with a type 2 return confirmation. GigaChat, bullish confluence. You have a hidden bull dip actually potentially here. GigaChat looks really strong. Not gonna lie, it barely, you know, retraced the, like for example, Retardio retraced way more. GigaChat barely felt it. Bonk also has a chat. You're confirming that bull dip today on Bonk, right here. Look at that. Where this is a lower low, you have a higher low on the negative momentum, implying seller succession. Not only on the MACD, chat, also on the US, on the RSI. From this drop into this drop, you have a higher low. What other argument do you need? Also holding the 200 moving average as support. Man, I think it's about to be meme coin season all over again. And you can see, I was talking about this on the early stages of the stream, that the only thing that was going red today was AI agents, and that makes a lot of sense because they've been pumping, you know, like crazy for the past 2 months. And usually when the rest of the market was a little bit muted, and when that happens, right, and the entirety of the market starts going up, that's when usually this sort of like assets take a back seat. And then when the market in general, the broader market starts chilling, this is when they go like in tandem, right? For example, utility or altcoins are gonna pump, meme coins are gonna pump, AI agents might take a back seat, then meme coins start distributing or reaccumulating, then AI agents take the lead once again. And look at this chat. AI XBT has a clear tweezer top yesterday. Look at how it's a perfect textbook tweezer top right here, and it's catching follow through. So if it was just a tweezer top, like it wouldn't bother that much. But the fact that you're catching follow through here with a bearish divergence on the RSI, you have bullish confluence on the MACD, but a bearish divergence on the RSI, I don't know, man. It makes me feel a little bit uneasy about this going straight up in a straight line. Like it might have some sort of pullback before, you know, continuing higher. Because that makes sense, because this thing ran from like early November from like nothing into like almost 1 billion. Like it went to all the way to 950 million here. Pretty wild. Let's actually pull fog on the next. Is this what's gonna happen here? I don't know. It does look a little bit similar, right? Like vertical accumulating all the way higher, like no dips, no sideways price action. And fog, although by the way, looks a little bit bottom here. I'm pretty sure this thing has a bullish divergence. I have not looked at it, but I'm gonna pull it up and you'll see. There you go, chat. That's your bull div right there. You have a lower low and a higher low in price. Also on the R side. So confluence on both oscillators for fog. So is AI XBT and the rest of agents, like, you know, gonna perform some sort of like ridiculous pullback? I don't know. Farcoin which is also a meme, just not getting the overall pullback that AI agents are getting right now. So I don't know. Regarding the utility, Jupiter is up 6%, doesn't care about the airdrops pumping here away. Radium is up 9%, going for the highest daily close since November 24. See Camino. Camino's up 2%, starting to recover here. See some runes. Man, runes did not perform at all. Ori, BTC also has been dying. Might be time. Not sure. I'm not a fan of ordinals, but it might be time. All right, chat. What do you want me to take a look at? Spill it right now in the chat. Do your requests. Let's see. There's meme coins against utility index. Mumu, Popka, GigaChat, Ticker, Bitcoin, Mog against Tia, Blast, Arbitrum, Radium, and CHR. You have a bull dev here. From this low into this low, bullish divergence. Also locally here, you have a bull dev. From here, you have bearish confluence. But it might be bottom too, man. I think meme coins, like, they got nuked so hard. Also here on this meme coin index, you have a bull dev both on the MACD and the RSI. Imagine they take out the highs. How wild would that be, chat? How wild would that be? All right, so I had a setup on Opus. I'm gonna, be responsible and let you guys know what I think about it, because it's an AI play. So I think, I'm not a fan of the structure here, right? You have some sort of Adam and Eve topping pattern, right? You have the Adam and then the Eve. But I think that as long as you hold this low here, the setup is untouched. Like, this could continue to perform and just, go into harmonic highs. But if you lose this low here, then I think the pattern is just not viable anymore. Is there any TA hopium for Cold? No, Cold's going to zero. I think only TA hopium is for Retardio. Cold's not going to zero. I don't hope they clip it. They clip it and ladies come after me. But let's see Cold, because why not? You can see it's trading right now as some sort of like beta to ETH. Look at this. I think it's pretty clear. Look at that, right? Man, it's ETH beta. A little bit weaker, but on the recovery here, the bottom was set on the same day. The pump was set on the same day, then a red day afterwards. Now, just a bullish engulfing candle on ETH and some bounce on Cold. So it's just gonna rely on whatever ETH does, to be honest. Let's go see some other stuff, right? Because yesterday we found that setup on Pepe, which is pretty exciting. Bullish confidence on Doge. Will it pull an XRP? I think Doge is going to all-time highs this cycle. Is a no-brainer. Shiv has way more overhead resistance. Same with Floki. So my plan is actually bidding strength, man. Aave, oh my god, man, it's up 7.4%, going for the highest daily close since January 6th. It's about $300, man. As long as you stay about $300, you can be targeting $448 here. Next inflection zone. After that, let's see. So daily close here at 528, and then I think it's all-time highs here. Maybe not even, like, don't have like that much confidence on these levels here. Trying to maybe here, yeah, some sort of level right there. So as long as you stay about $200, I mean $300 on Aave, you could be targeting 448, and you have a massive hidden bullish divergence that is finally coming to an end. Look at the amount of negative momentum that you printed here on Aave. Like, you were printing negative momentum since December 19. Almost like 1 month of negative momentum finally coming to an end, chat. And on the, by the way, as you're doing that, you're doing a hidden bullish divergence here. So Aave looks pretty strong. See Chainlink. Bull dev on Chainlink also getting confirmed on the MACD histogram. Man, what is going on with like Dino coins this cycle? It's pretty baffling. Like, all the new metas as being, you know, rotations and rotations and rotations. You have not, like, you have not had like any sustained pump on new metas or rotations, right? They all like stayed rotating, but the only sustained pump I would say right now has been Dino coins like XRP, like Aave, like, I don't know, Chainlink, whatever. Hell, even Litecoin. Litecoin's going for the highest daily close, chat, since February 2022. What are we even talking about here? Like, all these coins were declared dead years ago. Also bullish divergence on Ethereum Classic. Man, a lot of coins look ready for continuation to the upside. Aave, bullish confluence. I mean, not Aave, ADA, Cardano. Man, my god. See ticker Bitcoin. Bullish confluence. MOG. Bullish divergence on MOG. Price swings on memes are not for the faint and hearted, man. This thing's down 50% from all-time highs on MOG, which happened like 1 month ago. You could have bought the top here, the Coinbase listing, like, Coinbase listed MOG, I'm gonna buy MOG on my Coinbase account. Boom, down 50% in 1 month. 50% of your money and allocations gone. Like, actually, like, since you bought, like, within like 10 days, 50% of your money was gone. And now maybe the holders and the believers might be rewarded. See on the Tuacando. Bull dev. About to lose that negative momentum that you've been printing since December 17. You're holding $1.24, which is good. You're above support. ENA, man. Bullish divergence on ENA. Right there. Not confirmed, but starting to mature. Back above 93 cents, which is what you want. Man, I think Ethena is going to reach all-time highs. in not the distant future. I'll tell you that. Modularity coins, they mentioned Tia. Man, Tia might be up to something here. If we invert it. Hell, I might think maybe Tia might freaking bounce here, man. Magic Eden. You have a local bullish divergence here. Losing that negative momentum. Hyperliquid. We said it's been trading as beta to Aave, but Aave is showing more signs of resilience so far. Layer 0. Bullish divergence. In the MACD histogram. After all-time highs. Up here, Chad. Layer 0 might be a good cook. Swell, bullish divergence also on the MACD. Man, you're seeing sellers exhaustion across the board. I mean, not like on all of them, but across many asset chats. So I think it's time to sit on your conviction plays and watch them play out, chat. I think it's time. All right, boys, I've been going on for about an hour. I think the next time that I'll see you guys live could be right at the same time or before Trump gets into office. I might cover it live so we see a price action. So I'll let you guys know on a post right on Monday where I'm going live. So enjoy your weekend, right? Don't do silly things. Enjoy your friends and family. I think we're heading to really good things. So just don't make any rush decisions. Please click on the like button on your way out. Appreciate you guys. You guys rock. Till the next time.